I'm Michelle McCullough with Competition Plus TV, and I have here with me Bill Tichenor with Holley Performance Products. Now, Bill, tell us a little bit about new products coming out for 2016.
We have really been on a big new product push over the last few years, and that's continuing into 2016. A lot of our focus, of course, right now is on our fuel injection. Doing a lot of work there with the NHRA Pro Stock teams. We were selected to be the fuel injection to power those cars as they transition in 2016. So working hard on that, but we're carrying over, a lot of that technology into our standard boxes that are available for everyone. And things like timing per gear, individual cylinder tuning, just some super advanced features that will benefit everybody. On the Earl side, we've got a new line of PTFE hose and fittings called Ultra Pro Series. So it's a nice way to plumb your car. High-tech plumbing, impervious to nearly any fluids, high flow, anodized hose ends with our popular Anatough hard coat anodizing that actually penetrates the metal, so it has a nice long life to it. You can take your fittings on and off multiple times before the anodizing will ever wear off. So that's exciting. Our hooker line is a product line we're calling Blackheart, and that's our step into more modern stainless technology, stainless steel, better welds, taking hooker quality to the next level. It's primarily for more late model cars at the moment, Camaros, Mustangs, Challengers, Corvettes, but we're going to start taking that technology into older cars also, into some of our LS swap products. Of course, LS products are still hot for us. We're becoming known as your go-to source for LS drag race parts. Our LS Fest is a big drag race event for those guys with those engines. We've got some new tall valve covers to clear aftermarket rockers. So more of the drag race type guys will be interested in that. Some new intake manifolds, and I could just keep going on and on.
Now, we all know about the merger that your company did with MSD, so tell us a little bit about that.
That's a big deal for us. That's, of course, the biggest acquisition we've ever been through. MSD is a great company, the number one product in the ignition market, period, for no matter what kind of racing it is, whether it's drag race or any other form for that matter. But we're already, using each other's knowledge, our fuel injection knowledge, their fuel injection knowledge, their knowledge of ignition, and their engineers are already working with Holley engineers. We're sharing technologies to help each other improve each other's parts, and look forward to what all we can do with them. We were actually there the very first week and found some huge Dominator style fuel injection throttle bodies with the actually injectors in the top, where we were working together in the 1980s to develop fuel injection for Pro Stock. And isn't it funny that here it is, took us this much time to actually bring it to market, but we're back together again. So it'll be a great thing for everybody. Race Pack came along with that MSD acquisition, and we've already worked with them to make sure that their gauges interface with Holley EFI, so their data acquisition can work together and talk to the Holley EFI unit and let the racer keep his existing Race Pack, but add Holley EFI to his vehicle, and we'll just keep looking for synergies like that, and at the same time leave those guys alone to do what they do best and learn from each other.
Perfect. Bill, thank you so much for your time. I'm Michelle McCullough with Competition Plus TV, signing off from PRI Show 2015.